Welcome to Urdu Hut channel. Today we're talking about the OBD2 code about the Nissan of P1320 ignition signal problem solution. What are the possible cases of a P1320? The number one possible case is the faulty power transistor unit built into ignition coil ignition primary. The second one is the circuit is open or shorted, means the circuit to ignition coils ignition primary. The third one is the circuit poor electrical connection circuit to ignition coils faulty. The fourth one is the ignition system condenser crankshaft position sensor circuit. What we gonna do when is the code detected in P1320 Nissan? When the ignition signal in the primary circuit is not sent to the engine control module ECM during engine cranking or running. What is the possible symptoms of P1320? The possible symptoms is the engine light on or service engine soon warning light blinking. About P1320 Nissan, the ignition signal from the engine control module is sent to and amplified by the power transistor. The power transistor turns on and off the ignition coil primary circuit. This on-off operation induces the proper high voltage in the coil secondary circuit. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more OBD code, or you can visit our site to see more helpful article about OBD2 codes. You can visit carsfall.com. This is our site. Thank you for watching this video.